Hello my cuties! Welcome back to another video. If you're new on first time coming through, then hi, I'm Chocoblood, your online art bestie. Finally, today I am going to show you my brush essentials when it comes to digital art. This is the updated version. When it comes to choosing the right instrument, I always prefer to keep things simple and sweet. I only use default brushes that are pre-installed in the app itself. Generically speaking, usually my arts comes in 6 steps. Number 1 is guideline, 2 is rough sketch, then we have line art or cleanup, base coloring, shading, and finally the rendering or the finishing touches. Let's start by taking this piece of something as an example. I'll post the full speed paint process video really soon in case that's something you're interested in. Let's begin. Guideline is the first ever basic step. In this phase, I usually go for planning and rough sketching. For this phase, I usually use dip pen soft and soft falcon pen in bleed. Feel free to take a screenshot if you want to. If you are a beginner digital artist and you're looking for new brushes to try out, I would suggest you first start by discovering brushes that are already there in your art software. Speaking from personal experience, when I started digital art, I wanted to do all that complex things. But actually in reality you don't really need that much of brushes. Only few simple ones will do the job for you. In this step rough sketch, as the name itself suggests, I sketch out the entire thing with every detail possible. In this step I usually use the pencil graphite or watercolor pencil. If you your sketch to be more rough or coarse in appearance, please go ahead and choose watercolor pencil. But for me, I like my sketches to be smooth, so I choose the pencil graphite. Rough sketch phase is also known as the ugly phase of any art, so don't get disheartened if that doesn't look right because you're just starting off. That is why, to reduce the complexity, you need a very simple, straightforward brush. Coming into the third step, which is line art and cleanup process. Here, I have a few options for you to choose from. Firstly, I have dip pen hard. This is the one of the brushes that I swear by when it comes to line art. But sometimes I also go for a love pen, hard mapping pen, glass pen. But dip pen hard is my absolute favorite and go-to. A quick pause for a reminder to subscribe if you haven't already, like and share this video. Thank you. You might continue. In this step, I require a larger number of area coverage with opaque paint. So, I go for felt tip pen soft because this actually serves the purpose. We all know choosing the correct brushes are really essential for our artwork to turn out exactly the way we want it to be. But the process doesn't have to be very complicated. Because I'm more of a soft pastel aesthetic girly, I like my shadows to be really soft and blending to the base color. For that, I use pen fade. But if you prefer your shadows to be hard and really, liney or streaky, you can go ahead and again use the dip pen hard for that purpose also. In the final stage and the most time-taking process, which is rendering and cleanup, I go for mainly 3 brushes. Number 1 is airbrush tetrazoid, which is for the gradation. For the texture, I go for texture pen and also the pen fade I use that I mentioned before. These are my absolute essential brushes that I cannot live without. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope this was helpful to you and answered some of your queries. If you have still questions left, feel free to write them in the comments below and I will try my best to answer everything. That's it for today, and I hope this was helpful again. And I'll see you guys till the next time. Till then, bye bye and stay cute.